It was a long journey to Kansas, 4 days on the road. I left on November 11 and I finally arrived on the 15th. My whole body was aching, especially my right knee. But every mile was worth it because I only have one family member here in America. Seeing my sister again felt like meeting a long-lost friend. 9 years, that's a long time. So every moment we shared felt precious. Even though she was busy with work and tired when she got home, she still made sure we ate together, and I appreciated that more than she knows. I wanted to stay longer, but I couldn't. I need to be in San Francisco on November 26th for the wedding I'm covering. If not, I would have stayed. I would have explored Kansas more. But there's always the next time, whenever that may be. Someday, I hope we can take a trip back to Manila, spend time with my whole family. My parents are getting older, and I want to make more memories with them while I still can. And to my youngest son, Gio, I know you feel lonely living on your own, but I promise you one day I will come home and spend real quality time with you.
Cheers. Sour. Helps with my throat.
I'm gonna start drinking this with apple cider.
What does it do?
It's good for throat.
Wish all our sisters are here.
Yeah. And also Kuya.
Agnes, Yoli, Tina. It'd be nice.
And also mom and dad. I
Yeah.
wish we're all here.
We've been living in Fort Greene and our son was growing fast, so we wanted more space. Or I did, anyway. Shelly, my ex, thought it was absurd buying such a big. Yeah, the price itself isn't much, but and her freshman year in school.
I remember the book was everywhere.
The Supreme Court.
Yes, oh my God. Yeah, I know, but Christ, what do you take?